Namaste dosto, I'm here at Sevagram. This is Mahatma Gandhi's village, his final village, his ashram, right behind me here. And I've shown you that in another video. But right now we are gonna go and eat at a very traditional Indian restaurant across the road. It is operated by the ashram here. We're gonna have a very traditional Indian meal, and I'm gonna show you so you can come to these types of places and eat this lovely, pure vegetarian Indian food when you're here in India too. So these very traditional restaurants in small places like Sevagram, they will often have Hindi signboards like this. So this says Sevagram Ashram, and these two words means presents Ahaar Kendra, or diet center. So the Sevagram Ashram presents the diet center. And you know when it says diet center or Ahaar Kendra or Prakritik Ahaar Kendra, you know you're gonna get some very good sattvic food, which I'll tell you about very soon. Okay, they do have an English sign. It's up in the tree here, but you know, Ahaar Kendra probably means nothing to you, but Ahaar means diet, and Kendra, it just means center. And so let's go and eat some very traditional food here. Let's check out the menu first. Looks lovely inside there, nah? This is just across the road from Mahatma Gandhi's final ashram. So, we have the menu in Hindi as well. So we have like nashta, breakfast. Let's take one of these. This is going to be a thali. So full bhojan thali, a full food plate. A full plate of food, that's what we can say, that's how we can translate it. Let's go try that. And the first thing we're seeing here, this is like called a Matka. And inside here, you will find water. And the water is actually cold. This vessel keeps the water cold in there. It's amazing. And this is exactly what you'll find in our village. It might be filled with lassi or it might be filled with water like it is here. But yeah, this is like a village invention to keep water cold. All right, I ordered a full thali and 150 rupees, so about $2 American. You're gonna see what we get for that here. And I've got some buttermilk because it's gonna take them about half an hour to prepare the thali. I might have caught them between shifts, but it's okay because I can tell you a few things about the food you're gonna find at a place like an Ahaar Kendra, a diet center. You are gonna find very healthy food, okay, obviously. But it goes further than that. There is an ancient Indian way of cooking, and it's called sattvic. So when you eat sattvic food, it's easily digestible. You will not feel tired after eating it, and you will not feel super energized either. Sattvic food is a balanced diet, and that is exactly what we're gonna see and eat here. And so the opposite, which we all know, there is sedative foods, right, that we eat, like meat or something really heavy, and we get sleepy. That's a sedative. Or there is something that we might drink or eat which is a stimulant, like tea is a stimulant. So in this sattvic food, there's going to be no sedatives and there's going to be no stimulants. We are going to walk away from this feeling good, healthy, and not tired. So that's the incredible thing about sattvic cooking. And this method of cooking, it's a real gift to the world from India. Unfortunately, it's quite hard to find here in India at restaurants because we all want like full flavor, full Tamasic food, sedative food that tastes amazing, but you know, makes us feel tired afterwards. So that's how it is these days. But I noticed that when we're in the village, all we're eating is this sattvic food, no preservatives, straight from the farm, barely any spices at all. And yeah, you feel great eating village food, and that's exactly what we're going to have right now, Indian village food. I've just found another restaurant nearby, and you can see with the sign here, unfortunately it's not in English, but Rasoi Prakritik, what I just taught you, Ahaar Kendra Bhojan. Bhojan means food. So yeah, you will find these places, especially around here in Maharashtra, but especially in smaller places across India. I try to eat this type of food as much as I can, basically. Shukriya ji. खाना आ गया.
पूरन की रोटी बन रही है, लाके देता हूँ.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Hanji. Wow, look at this. This is a huge thali, just a couple of dollars American, and we have 5 different kind of curry dishes there. Rice, 2 different types of roti, okay? This is a special, much thicker roti made out of a different grain to this chapati. And then for dessert, we have Puran, Poli. This is a special Maharashtrian dish, and it's like a chapati, but inside they've put, oh God, what was it? I think coconut, jaggery, which is kind of this form of very, very raw sugar. And then they've topped it off in ghee. Can you see the ghee on top of there? That's clarified butter. Oh my gosh, this is a real feast. And you can see the flies. So you know this is like, when you're in a village, there's flies everywhere and you will be eating with them. And people often ask like, how can you eat with all those flies around? But I'm kind of used to it because my wife and I, we visit our family who are farmers in a village in Rajasthan, and you just get used to them landing on you or landing on your food and whatever, and I don't know. Things become normal, okay? So it doesn't worry me. I'm gonna struggle to tell you what some of these dishes are because some of them will be traditional Maharashtrian dishes. First one we have here is something called curry, and it's just like a yogurt kind of soup with a few little spices in there. Ye kya hai, ye kya hai, ye kya hai? He's going to explain to me right now.
ये भरता.
Barta?
हाँ.
Ye?
झुनका.
Junka. Acha.
ये दाल भाजी.
Dal?
हाँ.
Dal bhaji. हाँ.
ये आलू मटर की सब्जी.
Aloo matar ki sabzi.
ये कड़ी.
Curry.
वो छाछ की बनी रहती है.
हाँ. Thank you. Okay, it all makes sense now. This is junka. I have no idea what junka means. It must be Marathi, but it looks like a bunch of kind of, I don't know, slow cooked vegetables. Let's give it a go. It's just a simple vegetable curry, that's all, but not liquidy. Now, barta. Barta has something mixed into it. Let's just see what it tastes like. That's different. Wow, I like this. So barta is grilled eggplants, and the eggplants are smashed up with onion, carrot, and a few spices. I can see mustard seeds in there as well. So if you love eggplant, try barta. Then we have simple dal. Let's see how it tastes compared to other states. Dal can be really tasteless. No. Full flavor here in Maharashtra of the dal. The dal is lentils. This is just potato curry. Let's see. Potato curry wins for me. This is bakar. And it's a different type of grain, and it's a lot thicker than chapati. See, I'm pulling it really hard to get it to break. These grains are usually healthier and less processed. And this is exactly what we eat in the village in Rajasthan, except we use a different grain. We use bajra, which is like a green grain. How's your food?
Nice.
Tastes like the village, right?
Yeah.
Homemade.
This bread is gluten free.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good for health.
Yeah, they
Also, the
don't.
people who live in villages, they eat this. That's why they are like strong, physical
Yeah.
and mental.
I mean, they work all day and then they eat healthy food from their farm.
Yeah.
They're the strongest, healthiest people, man. And now let's get to dessert. Oh my gosh. This has come out more like a malpua than a Puran Poli. It's very soft. This is just out of this world. It is so soaked in ghee. It's turned into a pancake. Man, it feels so good when you get that fresh village food, sattvic food. So whenever you guys see a sign which says a word like Ahaar Kendra or Swastahadak or Prakrutik or Satvik, then I'm not guaranteeing you're going to get sattvic food, but you're hopefully going to get very healthy village style food, and you'll get to experience something like this as well.